this is the Frog, and today I want to talk to you about the Puppet Society for Abuse. For the next hour and a half, this documentary will showcase stories of puppets and people affected by this social problem. Hopefully, by bringing awareness of puppet abuse to the public, maybe something can be done to help those in need. Roll the film. Yay!
يا صاحب الهم إن الهم منفرج إن الهم منفرج أبشر بخير أبشر بخير فإن الفارج الله.
Good evening, I'm Dr. Victor Von Schmoo, and I'm here to talk to you about puppet abuse and neglect. Every year, 600 million puppets end up on the streets, homeless and forgotten. In this day and age, what with all our technological advances, like video games, digital cable, and alarm clocks, people today don't care about puppets as they did when they were kids. As a puppet parapsychologist, my job is to understand and help those in need. Those poor puppets that have been ignored by a gluttonous, apathetic society. These puppets, who once worked so hard to teach our children morals and math, music and molecules, are now just tossed aside like yesterday's baloney, while newer technologies and fads are introduced. That was a lot.
1. Action. I met Sherry Lewis in Barbados in the 40s. At the time, she was a local stripper and a part-time hot dog vendor. I saw her act at the local strip joint, the Great Space Coaster. I went because I heard of her huge talent. She saw me in the audience and noticed I was a puppet. After her performance, she approached me about doing a puppet show with her and trying to sell me a hot dog. We created an act and she gave up stripping and hot dog vendor to go on the road. Within weeks, we were a hit. And for a few years, everything was fine.
At first, everything was great. I was the star of a children's puppet show. Things were great and the money was even better. I don't care what anybody says, though. After a while, all that fame and fortune goes to your head. Every week, I was finding more ways to spend my money than I could find making it. First, it was the girls and the cars. Then the girls and the booze. Then the girls and the drugs. Followed by girls and more girls.
Just me personally, I think it's a shame what's happening with these blokes, you know. But you know, you live your life and you do what you got to do, and that's the way the cookie crumbles, you know. That's the way you cut the mustard, you know.
Yeah, we just got a call about a puppet face down.
And you're gonna have to make a run up here.
Yeah, and it's a real shame what happens to these puppets. You know, they're all over the place, so. Just our job is to go out and clean them up.
Where's he at? Hold on, mate. You're losing your accent, first of all. And second of all, I'm telling you, it's down there.
Sometimes I think about the puppets who have been forgotten, abused, and neglected. No one cares about them. No one feels for them. I hope this does something for them. Something better. This is for them.
but don't say nothing. He just keeps rolling. He keeps on rolling along. He don't plant taters, he don't plant cotton, and them that plants 'em is soon forgotten. But old man River, he just keeps rolling along. You and me, we sweat and strain, body all aching and racked with pain. Tote that barge, lift that bale, get a little drunk, and your land's in jail. I get weary and sick of trying. I'm tired of living and scared of dying. But old man River, he just keeps rolling.
I did so many drugs that I could no longer find joy in anything I did. Then one day, my agent called, told me I was out of a job. The show was canceled after 2.5 episodes. I continued to work pretty steady, but then the money just started drying up. I was desperate for cash at that time, so I took any job I could in the adult puppet acting industry. You may have seen a couple of them. Roll the clip.